a browning fist there. Wait, I should add more water. What happened? I decided that it's not going to be just blood-related family experiences.
The community
Yes.
is family.
Things Jamaican. Promoting brand Jamaica. Alright, so as many persons know, Jamaicans don't like white food. We don't like raw food. No. So, but we don't have no browning over here. So I'm trying to make my own browning. I don't know. This is my first time doing it. I just added some sugar to the pot. I just greased the pan. Ooh, my sugar cover drop off. I just greased the pan. So I added the sugar. I think I'm gonna add some more enough. I add more. But maybe I add it. I don't even know if that will come out. But I know you can do this. Like when you're cooking, you know, your granny teacher say you can actually brown the sugar and then you put in the meat. But what I want to do is make the browning itself. I'm gonna add some water to this. I saw this on Tommy Chin's page where her thing there was making browning. And she said that she just all she did is add sugar to the add water to the sugar. Now it's a crystallized. But I'm gonna set it dissolve. I'm going to experimenting. Turn on the ventilation. I think I might turn on this stove a little bit more. I'm going to say the lady browning look good, you see? I want to Tommy Chin thing them on vlog. She says she only add water to it. And it's more healthy than the bitter browning with them sell. And somebody come to Japan and I said, "Geez, and please." She asked me when she pick care for me. And I said, "No man, everything good man. Just focus on your thing and actually bring things where you love and stuff like that." But my afterwards, I should have to think from browning to me. And again, the sugar different, you know, so I'm not going also. I don't even know if I'm going to make it stay long or longer or what. But we're not supposed to so watery, no. What is sugar you say stop on? Like the one along here. Ow! Ooh. It's a take time for me because I get it here to the have patience. Somebody asked me, no one of my video then, if I want to me have, not one of my video on WhatsApp. One of my troublemaker, my Korean friend, I'm going to show her, say, I just, you know, sometimes you love you have one shoes and you love the shoes, or you have one pattern and you love the pattern. But let me show you something. See me pat them there. See me nice, clean pat them there. I mean, I need no more than that because I want to live. I mean, I have no kitchen space. See, Japan apartment small. I don't even go call her name. I just go send her that video and say, "Girl, look here, the bright self." But if I want to have her one plate, no wrong. Minimalistic lifestyle. See, like in Jamaica, we have big old space and sitting. I have no only pot and plate and stuff. Somebody will come out. What do you have and get together? The girl, Nikki says, "We must bring a plate." Come in, come on. Are we alone there? How it look? Gee, I don't know. It look oily. But I never put enough oil in it. I put a little more sugar or something. I don't want the sugar lump up because it's too annoying. Oh, see there? A little more sugar I did want. If I get little richness there, I could put a little more sugar. And we alone as Jamaicans and so. Sometimes we when not have it, love palav. You see people them were rich, you think say them business about one pot, you wash you're cooking at the one pot and you wash it, you cook where you cook. What's wrong with that? We love have enough things and big things and bling bling. And we don't try to use the money to invest. We want to keep up appearances and look like say. Look like. Enough time nothing are going for you, but we want to look like things are going for you. It a come. Not true. Talk it truth. It a come. No eat this. Yo! Up in the club we gone again. Guys, please see with me. I grew up with a dad who always have sound system and him always have played something them. I'm a teenager for them. Yes, Papa, Peter. I just need to sneak it still a little bit more. Whenever them always, I make them run, one little boy pick me and they always sing a song them. So sometimes I just one little line me catch or so. And through all my stay, I love sing. Anytime I let me sing and dance. So if anything like, me have a theme and a song come to my mind and match with that theme there. So it's like when I say, yeah, a while ago, remind me. Pop. Yeah guys, so I know a lot of persons to say, oh she Christian and she know them songs. Hello, I'm gonna reach out every you know well sing, you know, not true. Yes. No eat this. Never running this, talk it truth where God love. No man, talk it truth and shame the devil. Wonder if I should add more something to it. Sugar. Am I overdo it now? See there? It has no, me overdo it. So I'm gonna just let it continue doing this. I'm gonna want that sweet taste in my thing. Yeah. When we finish, I'm gonna show you now the finished product. I'm gonna bottle it to now. Yo. Alright, so it's cool now. It's not running. I'm not browning. I'm not browning first there. Wait, I should add more water. What happened? So what going on, sir? Okay then. Look like the sugar crystallize. If anybody know how to make this, I don't know if it's because it's a different type of sugar in Japan, if it's more sticky or whatever. I don't know what to say now. Alright, if anybody knows how to make this, could you please leave a comment and let me know what how I could do it. Because I find that even when I use the sugar, like, you know, you burn the sugar in the oil and you're cooking with it, it sticks, it's sticky, it not do like how when me do it tired. See there? Alright guys, let me know what's going on, please. I hope you make browning. Leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Boom bang, I'm out.